Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to add a video inside text in CapCut PC. This is a fun and creative effect that can make your videos look really professional. So let's get started. First of all, open your CapCut, then create a new project. Now click on text on the top menu, then select default font. Here is a plus icon, you can click here, or you can also drag and drop into the timeline. Write here something that you want to write, then select a bold font, like I want to select this one so that it will be looking so good. Now resize your position, then click to export. Now cancel this and import your video. I want to import this one and also import this exported file. Now select your text edited file, then go to blend option from the right corner and select to mode. From mode, click on multiply. You have just learned how to add a video inside text in CapCut. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.